Wine snob is someone that is not convinced of their own food palate, and so they listen to critics like Parker or Wine Enthusiast or Wine Spectator. They say, oh, this got a 93 in the Spectator, and therefore it should be worth the price. To me, they've done a disservice to the industry. The consumer should choose the wine they like and enjoy it. So wine snob is just the opposite of someone that enjoys drinking wine.
Snobs are not people you like to have at the dinner table. On the other hand, in the wine business, you'll often see a table full of wine snobs, one trying to out-snob the other. This is the thing that we fought when I worked at Wine Institute. We fought this snobbery thing. Now, 40 years later, with the Bronco program, we're trying to say it doesn't have to be expensive to be good, but the old wine snobs still exist. People wouldn't drink wine unless you told them this was good and that was good. So we sort of created our own problem in the wine business. We made these experts and said, now listen to the experts, and now we're going around the other way and saying, don't listen to the experts, taste and see what you like and drink that.